welcome back to the Triangle Nursery Flower Channel. Now, with Christmas just around the corner, we know many of you have questions about wreath making. Now, in today's frequently asked question video, we'll be answering one of the most commonly asked questions. What is the most popular moss to use for wreath making? Now, if you haven't joined us before, my name is Debbie from Triangle Nursery, and Triangle Nursery is an online wholesalers offering an extensive range of fresh seasonal flowers and foliage at wholesale prices for everyone. We offer delivery in the UK all year round. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you information about the most popular moss to use for wreath making, along with some alternatives. So, here we have the natural English moss. So it's sold in black plastic bags like this and is available to purchase all year round. So it can be used for other decorative purposes other than wreath making if you want to. So it comes in the bag. So as I pull the moss out, you'll see it does include quite a lot of debris. So you get pine needles, pine cones, an occasional stone, and I'm afraid you often get some creepy crawlies as well because it is a natural product. Now, each bag should approximately cover 5, 10 to 12 inch wreaths, depending on how full you make the wreaths. Now, care-wise, when the bag of moss arrives, it needs to be stored in a frost-free, cool, low-lit environment like a shed or garage. Now, do ensure that you keep it hydrated. You can leave it outside if you want to and water it outside, but just do be aware if you do get a frost, the water will actually freeze the moss and then you'll have an awful job trying to use it to create your wreath bases. Okay. And make the moss wreaths up in advance of your workshop so they're all ready to go. And make sure you do this in a suitable environment because, as you can see, it's incredibly messy to work with. I probably would recommend, once you've removed all the debris, you just gently tease the moss and you'll find you get the lovely green, vibrant side, and then underneath you get that darker earthy side where it's actually been harvested from the forest floor. Okay, so that's our beautiful moss. Now, you could, if you want to, also use sphagnum moss or indeed carpet moss. I'll just bring some carpet moss up for you to see. Now, carpet or sheet moss, as the name suggests, comes in sheets and it's sourced from Holland. Now, this moss is considerably cleaner than the English moss because it's actually been grown for a specific use, for this decorative use. It tends to be more expensive, especially if you're using it for wreath bases. So toss up what you think is the best option for you. Now, the sheet moss comes in either a polystyrene container or often a wooden crate. And if I lift one of the sheets out, you can see that it comes intact. Now, you get the pristine side, and then underneath, once again, in the same way as the English moss, you get that darker side that's been removed from the forest floor. It normally comes with 4 layers of moss, but you will find that the lower layer is often not as pristine as the top layer for the simple fact that in transit any of the debris tends to settle in the bottom and it will actually land on that bottom sheet. So the best sheet is normally the top one. Now, you can find the links for the products I've discussed with you today in the description below. And happy wreath making! So that's it for today's frequently asked question. We hope this video helps you find the right moss for your wreath making this year. For more useful videos on product information, wreath making and other seasonal floral designs, head over to our YouTube channel and find us there. So if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from the Triangle Nursery Flower Channel. We look forward to seeing you again very soon.